Welcome to file number 5 in the Minivision 2 audio tutorial from Raz Mobility. I am the accessibility specialist, Jerry, and I will be guiding you through the rest of this tutorial. In this file, we're going to show you voice recognition on the Minivision 2. Let's get started. Voice recognition on the Minivision 2. Yes, this phone actually does have it. There are things you can do. Now, you can't ask it what time is it, or what's the date, or how to make a good cup of coffee. But there are basic things that you can do, and we're going to go through them. Couple things to take note. To activate the voice recognition, you press and hold the OK button until the phone talks to you, and it'll tell you to speak after the beep. And what you do is you wait until the beep is finished. Don't start talking during the beep because it's going to miss a little bit of what you say. Also, a quieter environment will always get you better results. If you're standing at a concert and you're trying to use the voice recognition, it's probably not going to work. If you have your TV turned on really loud or your stereo, again, probably not going to work very well. Can you have a little bit of noise in the background? Absolutely. Also, keep in mind that sometimes how you say something, meaning the speed of it, or if you slur your words, or if you try and talk slow to it, different things can change how the voice recognition will recognize you. What I generally do is speak in a normal tone like I'm talking to someone else, and it generally works. Let's quickly run down a list of the commands that you can use, and then once I've done that, we'll go through a couple examples. Call, followed by the name of a contact that you wish to call. So, for example, call John Smith. Now, if there are more than one result that could match what you said, it will bring up a list. You use your up and down arrows, and you press OK on the one that you want to call. Send a message to, followed by the name you wish to send a message to. Works just like call. So in other words, send a message to Bob Smith. Again, if there's more than one result that it thinks can match what you said, it'll bring up a list. You use the up and down arrow keys and press OK on the option that you wanted, on the person you wanted, I should say. And you'll continue from there. It'll put you in the edit field for you to type or voice dictate the message. Create a note, followed by the text of the note. Once you're done speaking, it will then leave you in the edit field and read to you what it heard. If it's okay, simply press the OK button, and it puts you back in the list of notes that you've created. New contact. This is a way that you can create a new contact. It'll open the new contact screen where you fill in all the appropriate information. New alarm allows you to open the new alarm creation page where you fill in again all pertinent information. New event opens the new event creation and you fill in all appropriate information. Create a voice memo. This opens the Voice Memos app and puts you in the area for creating a new voice note. Simply start talking after the beep, actually the few beeps that you'll get, and then when you're done recording, press OK. The rest of these are just how you can open the different apps on the phone. So for example, you can just say phone, contacts, messages, alarms, calendar, camera, gallery, FM radio, light detector, color detector, banknote recognizer, calculator, voice recorder, notes, flashlight, weather, emergency, where am I, and settings. The last command that you can do is voice command. this will give you a list of all of the voice commands that you can say. So, let's just show you a couple of these and show you how they work. I'm going to unlock my Minivision 2.
Home screen, 224. Battery level, 94% remaining. 2 new text messages.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold the OK button and tell it to call something that's in my contacts. Once it, of course, beeps at me. Now, I will release the OK button once it starts talking.
Speak after the beep.
Call Kenton Weather.
You want to call Kenton Weather. Work?
What it's doing is it's confirming that that's who I want to call. Now, if there were other people that could have matched Kenton Weather, it would have given me a list. I would have used up and down to find the person I want to call, and I would push OK on that name. But because this is the only one that popped up and I do want to call this, I'm just going to hit OK.
Outgoing call. Kenton Weather. Out call.
Good evening. Someone needs to talk to you. With call waiting,
And that's how that's done. I'm going to hit end to hang up the call.
Home screen, 339.
All right. Let's show you another one. I'm going to send a text message, and I'm going to show you how you can do voice dictation.
Speak after the beep.
Send a message to Kenton Weather.
You want to send a message to Kenton Weather. Work?
Again, it's asking if that's what I want to do. And again, if there were more than one that matched, or at least it thought that matched, or that were close, it would give me a list to choose from. And I would push OK on the one that that I want. Again, in this case, this is what I want. Now, I'm not going to send the message because this phone number cannot accept text messages. So I'm going to hit OK.
Edit box. Type text message.
So I'm in an edit box now where I can type the message. Me in typing on a phone keypad, bad idea. I mean, I can do it if I need to, but I'm slow and I make mistakes and everything else. Especially in if I'm typing a text message. Short things like names, I'm okay. It's when it comes to typing an actual text message. So we're going to use voice dictation. Again, I'm going to press and hold the OK button until it talks to me. Once it starts talking, I'm going to release the OK button. And once it beeps, I will then start talking.
Speak after the beep.
Good morning, period. It's Jerry, period. How are you doing, question mark. Me, comma, I'm doing really well, period.
Good morning. It's Jerry. How are you doing? Me, I'm doing really well.
As you saw, it heard it just fine. Now, I can push the up arrow key to hear that again. Now, you're going to hear a lot more than just that text message, and you're going to hear it twice. But this is one way that you can definitely re-listen to what you heard. So I'm going to press the up arrow key.
Good morning. It's Jerry. How are you doing? Me, I'm doing really well. Text editor. Normal keyboard. Entered text. Good morning. It's Jerry. How are you doing? Me, I'm doing really well. Cursor at the end. Navigation by character.
We heard a lot of information there. We did hear the text message twice. Once because we were hearing what it thought I said, and then the second time is because it's in the actual edit field. So it put it already in the edit field. If I wanted to send this, I would just press the OK button and it would send it. Because I don't want to do that. Remember me telling you that you can press the end key and you'll go back to the home screen no matter where you're at?
Home screen, 342.
Yes, it even works from within an edit field. It will take you back to the home screen. Let's try some other really simple ones. Let's say I want to open a particular app on the phone. All right, we can do that.
Battery level, screen off.
Oops. Okay, I tried to push a button right as the phone was turning off. So, well, okay, locking, going to sleep is what I call it. So we'll just wake it up by pressing the end key.
Home screen, 342. Battery level, 91% remaining. 2 new text messages.
And you can lengthen how long it stays awake before it goes to sleep on its own. We will be going through that in the settings, in one of the settings files. At any rate, let's try opening an app. Instead of, going to a new contact thing, we're just going to say contacts.
Speak after the beep.
Contacts.
Contacts. Jerry Jicha, mobile.
So as you see, it will open an app. I'm just in the root of the Contacts app.
Home screen, 343. Speak after the beep.
Settings.
Settings. Display.
The reason I did that is because that's going to be our next 2 files. We're going to break settings up into 2 files because there's quite a bit in each one, and I want to go through everything to make sure that you see what's all here and how you can configure it. As far as voice recognition goes, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-729-0083 or visit us at our website, www.razmobility.com.